Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to fix iPhone not showing battery health. Here are the steps to fix an iPhone not showing battery health. First is to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Battery. Check if battery health and charging appears. If not, continue the steps below. Restart your iPhone by holding the volume up plus power, then slide to power off. After rebooting, go back to Settings, Battery, and check again. Make sure your iPhone is updated by going to Settings, General, Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Make sure your iPhone has an original Apple battery. Non genuine replacements may hide battery health. If your battery was replaced, confirm it was done by an authorized service center. Check for messages like important battery message under Settings, General, About. This can affect visibility. If you recently restored your phone, battery health may take a few hours to reappear. Keep your phone charged and connected to Wi Fi. Try resetting all settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset. Reset all settings. This won't delete data. If battery health still doesn't show, back up your iPhone and perform a full restore using iCloud or a computer. If none of the steps work, schedule a checkup at an Apple store or authorized repair center, as the battery might be unsupported. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.